Hey guys, good morning. It's our second day sa aming bakasyon. Nandito kami, we're approaching na sa Palm Spring Aerial Tramway. Sobrang haba ng pila, ang daming umaakyat. Meron pa rin kasing konting snow na natitira sa taas ng bundok niya. After mong pumasok dito sa checkpoint, pupunta ka sa parking area, paparada mo yung sasakyan mo dun, then sasakay ka ng bus papunta ron sa Aerial Tramway. Then doon makakabili ka ng ticket para makakyat ka doon sa Mount San Jacinto. Pila na kami dito ng siguro mga 20 minutes na. Yan, mga nakikita niyo yung tao dyan sa likuran, sa baba, mga nakapila pa, ang haba-haba. Hindi namin alam kung anong oras na kami makakasakay sa tram kasi wala pa kaming ticket. So sana makaabot pa rin kami kasi may mga appointment kami mamayang gabi. So ito yung sasakyan nating bus papunta ron sa taas kung saan tayo makakabili ng ticket. Dito sa likod pa. Yan. Doon. Sakto tayo. Sakto. Sakto kami dito sa likod. 4 ang upuan kaya magkakatabi kami. Pagbaba mo ng bus, ito naman yung tatahakin mong pila, oh. Oh, hanggang dyan sa taas na yan. Kain na tayo, lunch time kasi hindi kami nag-almusal kanina after namin mag-check out sa hotel. Nagkape lang kami, kaya dito na lang kami kumain. So meron kaming fries, tenders, then drinks. Ganun pinanggalingan natin sa baba. Pinanggalingan sa baba, oh. Pinanggalingan sa baba.
Yeah, this doesn't. Yeah, this part does.
With a new rotating
Taas, oh.
ratings including new cable drive system and the removal of 1,000 You'll see certain
Hirap. Yun naman, tinamay mong kable sa taas.
where rock removal is required.
Kable sa taas.
The new cabins
Carter,
are the first
you like it?
to rotate 360 degrees. Travel We're now once the summer home.
Wala naman natang yelo. Ano tayo? May ikot tayo, di ba? Kanina nandun. Pag snow, may mga snow yung bato na yan.
During our company journey, we pass through a variety of different
May ikot na tayo.
As we approach tower number 2, top of the tower, you can see a
Twin tower, oh.
60
May snow pa.
tower.
Crispy na. Ayun pa tayo pumunta, oh. Doon pa tayo. Oh. Tinan mo yung isa kasalubong natin, oh. Ayan na, ang kasalubong natin. Pasalubong natin.
Hi. Hi.
It's going non-stop.
Pasalubong.
Carter, you like it?
Sige lang.
Isang linya sila, no?
Oo. Magkaiba. Kasalubong.
Kaiba din.
They weigh just with each of these track cables 13,000
May snow pa konti.
Ayan yung mga puti-puti.
May snow pa.
Hindi naman yelo, bato si.
Snow yan, ano ka ba?
because both cars are tied together by the whole cable.
Bilis. Bilis.
You see, you drove by the rail station. And in turn,
Tira mo yung ano. Snow yan, snow.
Springs aerial tram was first conceived in the early 1930s by a young electrical engineer, the late Prince Gimbal. To this day, known as the father
He's right there.
Tramway.
You came back to me. I came back to you.
At a cost of nothing.
All right, folks, here's my favorite, Tower 3.
Power tree, yun. Power tree.
Although Tramway
Oh, ganda.
Now, how much longer is there?
Kita mo yung ano, yung windmills. Ayun oh, windmills. Oh. Wow.
The scenery is so beautiful. Oh, okay.
Windmills oh, Coachella Valley.
My friend took this 7 years ago. Really? Okay.
Come on.
That's nothing? Oh dear. What's the record? Oh wow. Oh my God. Was that
Ha? Snow nga. Ano bang mga bato? Grabe oh. Oh. Bangin na yan oh.
You okay? All right.
Oh, may ano pa dun sa taas oh.
I thought you were talking. I didn't hear
Snow. Ang lamig ng ano, hangin oh. Lamig. Ramdam mo? Hangin sa labas. Hangin sa labas. Tingin tayo, tingin. Tingin tayo. May mga snow pa rin dito sa clips niya.
Itutok po sa isla.
Oo, meron na.
Tower 4.
Tower 4. Woo! Tower 4. Kayo na yung last. Yan na. Diyan na tayo bababa. Diyan tayo bababa. Tapos sa taas niyan may pasyalan. May park. May park dito sa taas.
We are nearing the end of our journey.
Oh,
Hills
yan.
State Park, Wilderness are more than
Mga snow.
50 miles of summer hiking trails.
Tama, totoo yan pa. Tira mo tong kahoy oh. May kahoy pa dito. Oh, kita mo yung kahoy? Nabuhay pa yung kahoy doon? Oh?
Tower 5.
Tower 5! Ayan na.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our mountain station.
Mountain
Our mountain station is at 8,516 feet. It's made up of 3 levels. The one where you're going to exit on is level 2. It holds our boarding area, restrooms, gift shop, and magic memory photo booth. If you're looking to go for a walk or play in the snow, you're going to want to go downstairs to level 1.
Hindi ka
If you're
makapaniwala.
looking for the cafe, restaurant, or the lounge, now that you need it, you want to go upstairs to level
May
3.
snow pa. Hindi naman
We're gonna
natutunaw
have a
yung mga
couple
snow.
of bumps come into the dock, so please hold on to someone or something.
Ano?
Hey, did you like it?
Ano? Saya ka?
Happy? Sana mas maganda kahapon ngayon.
Take another one down. They'll pop it like that.
Our tram cars are currently moving every 12 minutes.
Hindi tayo lalabas.
Last tram car down is at 9:40. 7:30 p.m. If I were you, I would not miss that tram car. As you exit the tram car, please head to your right down the entrance hallway, and that'll take you inside. As always, stay safe, have fun.
Moving parts.
You're so sweet.
Abigail, careful. Bas na. Soy. Mal, nakipag-chismis mo si Papa. Soy, liga na. Tinan mo yung Coachella Valley. Diyan tayo galing. Doon sa ano, kita mo yun yung pag ganun.